Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see coordinate geometry in detail. From this class we will solve the problems on the coordinate geometry which is going to appear in any competitive examinations, especially Gpstr, hstr, TET like that section. So we will solve this. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry, we know that this is with the help of the coordinates we should represent x, y. So here it is first quadrant, here it is second quadrant, third quadrant, and it is a fourth quadrant. So we should mention the coordinates in the what type of dimension? Two dimension. Like if I take some point P, x, y, I should display this as on the four coordinates. So that is what we can take the coordinates. So this is a type of mathematics which is used to represent the points with the help of the coordinates, right? So for this, now suppose in this any two points are existing, and if I am joining these two, so I want to know the distance between these point A and B. For this we will use the formula. So that formula we have called it as by the name called distance formula. So the distance formula, how we can write? So for this now, suppose if I take A and this as B, the point A is x comma y, and it is, since the first point I will write like x1 y1, and this is xy, since it is second point I will write it as x2 y2. What is the distance between A and B can be written as square root of the B point x2 minus A point x1 square, then it is y2 minus y1 square, right? So this is the distance between the 2 points formula is, right? Now suppose if you take a simple point, point A is 6 comma 4 and point B is something like 7 and minus 2. So find the distance between these 2 points. If the question is like this, how to solve this? AB is equals to square root of 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 square, and it is minus 2 minus 4, right, square, right? So what you are going to get here? 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6 is minus 1 square, and it is minus 6 square. So how you can write this? Minus 1 square means 1 and this 6 square means 36. So what is the value of this? You will get root 37, right? So it is approximately 6.1 or 6.01 like this meter, right? The distance between these 2 points means the point what we have taken is 6, 4. Where is 6, 4? Approximately here, because both are positive, which will fall in first quadrant. And what is the point B? Point B is 7 and minus 2 means here, right? So it is 7 and minus 2. The distance between these 2 points is approximately 6.1 meter. That is the meaning of this. Find out in distance between the 2 points in the coordinate geometry. So this is a simple problem. Like this, you can take whatever the combinations here, A and B, and solve the problem, right? So that is what distance formula between the 2 points. Now we'll go one step ahead, so that we will see what kind of problems are going to be appearing in your examinations, competitive examinations. It's a simple one. 90% of the time this problem will not appear because of very simple nature. If it is appearing, then you are very lucky, right? So that is what the question. Second question. So second question we will see, that will take from the question paper. So now I am taking, you can see Gpstr 2022 Maths and Science paper. In that I will take a 64th question. So I will mention here, it is 2022 paper 64th question, which is asked for 3 mark. How we should solve this, right? So now what is the question which is asked? Find the coordinates of point, on x-axis, right? They are asking on the x-axis, which is equidistant from they have given 2 points, that is 2, -5 as well as -2, 9. This is a given, right? So what is the meaning of that? Suppose I am taking this line, the point A I will take it as 2, -5. The point B I will take it as -2 and 9, right? This is the point. These are the points. Find the coordinate on the point x-axis, right? So here the point which is on the x-axis means x, y-axis is 0, which is the equidistance, means between A and P and between P and B both are equal, right? So you should find what is the point P. That is what the question is, right? If you draw the what is that diagram like this, it is going to be easy for you to the understand, right? So now without drawing also you can solve the problem, no issues. So here to solve this, how is, first we should find what is AP. Then since it is equidistance, so we can write what is BP. If we do like this, then we'll solve this problem very easily. First we'll find what is AP. How to find AP? AP is nothing but a distance formula between A and P. So it is x minus 2 square. Then 0 minus and minus is plus 5 square. So it is root of x minus 2 square plus 25. Right? Then after that I will find what is BP. BP is here again x plus 2 square, right? Next 0 minus 9 square is 81, right? So it is BP is like this. So once I got this AP and BP, I should equate it. When I equate it, I will be having a square root. So what I will do is, instead of going for AP and BP, I will go for AP square and BP square. So that if I equate it, so what I will get is x minus 2 square plus 25, which is equals to x plus 2 square plus 81, right? So expand this. So after expanding, what you are going to see, that we will see. They are asking about the equidistance on the point, so we will expand it and we will see. So after expansion, the LHS, it is x a minus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 25, which is equals to the right hand side x plus 2 square plus 81, right? So how to solve that? A plus b square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 81, right? So which are the things which can get cancelled? X square and x square we can cancel. So 4 and 4 you can cancel, right? Here minus 4 is there, here plus 4 is there, so we can push this here so that it becomes 8x. Then after that it is what is that? 81 is there, 25 is there, minus, so you will get here 6, here it is, you will get 5. So it is, you will get what? Plus 56 is 0. So what is the value of x you will get? You will get x value as minus 7. Is it correct? Right. So once you got x value as minus 7, so now substitute this x value. What is exactly our diagram was? Our diagram is like this, p x comma 0. So p value you come to know, that is 7 comma 0. So now here the AP value is like this, so we have equated it as AP square. So here we can take the x value as minus 7 from AP. So here root of x is minus 7 minus 2 minus 9, 81. 81 plus 25 is, it is 6, 106. So AP value is 106 we got. So I'll just rub this. Then we should get what is BP value, because they are asking it is equidistance. It is A and it is B and it is P. So we should find what is BP. So just substitute here. What is that BP? X is minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25 plus 81. So this value is also 106, right? So from this what you should understand, AP is equals to BP. That is what the equidistance they have given in the problem. this is they have asked it for how many marks? It is asked for 3 marks question in the 2022 Gpstr. Okay. So this is the introduction to the coordinate geometry, followed by how exactly a 3 marks question is asked. Right. I will solve one more problem, which is a 1 mark problem, which is appeared in the same question paper. So we will see that it is not that much complicated one. It is a very simple one. So we will see that how exactly that problem can be solved in this video only, because it is not going to take much of the time, so that we will understand that it's in a better way. Right? So if we solve this problem, you will come to know that we can solve 2 problems in your examinations, right? So that is what the intensity of the problem. So here the question is asked for 1 mark in 2022, right, in Gpstr. That is distance of point 6, 8 from x-axis. From x-axis is 4 answers: 6, 8, 10, 14. Okay, these are the 4 options they have given. The question is very simple. Point P, first locate it. So since both are positive, so it is first quadrant, 6, 8. Approximately the point 6, 8 is here. They are asking this distance of this point from which axis? X-axis. This is x, this is y. From here to here they are asking. So here to here corresponds to which axis? It corresponds to which axis? Which coordinate? Absolute value of y. What is the value of y? Value of y is 8. Hence the correct answer is what? 8. Right? This is the very tricky one. So it is asked for this. So they are asking from x-axis. From x-axis means this distance, this value you should measure. What is this value? Y. What is the value of y here? It is 8. If the same question, 6, 8, they are asking from y-axis. Assume that they are asking it from y-axis. So at that time, what you should do? You should take this one. What is that? This is x intercepts. So corresponding to this is nothing but what? X. So what is the value of x? 6. At that time, the correct answer is 6. Right? So we should take the absolute value. Absolute value means we should take like this, so that it is 8. Assume that this value is minus 8. At that time also it is plus 8. Assume that this value is minus 6 they have given. At that time we should take this as 6. Right? So these are the minor type of things we should know while solving the problem. Thank you. We'll see more problems on this. The next section is section formula. Based on that, we will solve the problems. Stay tuned with this channel. Click on the bell icon. We'll continue with the coordinate geometry in the next class. Thank you.